Hi guys and gals, in this video I'm going to show us kind of how we're starting our vector symbol assignment in actually doing the vector. Not playing around, not just doing the lessons, but actually making a project. So first of all, just knowing that the vector symbol assignment is right here, the second thing down in the materials. Knowing also that the assignment page is right here if you want to open that up. The reason why I have it opened up is down in the second page there is some vector notes of tools that might be kind of handy to access rather than watching a video or doing any of those things. If you hear anything in the background here, my toddler's playing with his farm set. Alright. Now, so the next thing is we're going to go into Vector. Now, when you get in the Vector, you might have to log in. When you log in, you should be able to get to My Profile. You should be able to find the thing that says New File. You hit New File, or New File. Take a little while to open up right here. We can come over and we can change our information about how big this paper is or this document is by going to Pages. In Edit Page, we're just going to come down here and we're going to edit the normal page. Go to Custom Size. This has a bunch of different things like as far as social media, screen sizes for some common phones. You can see when this is used a lot. It's been a couple of years. At the same time, I'm going to go up to where it says Paper. Or down, sorry, where it says paper. Letter. Now the one thing I want to do is I want to get rid of this link and I want to, I guess, swap out these two things. There's not an easy way to do that I know of, so I'm just going to come in and do 792 by 612. So the first number is 792 and then 612. And I just tabbed over. And then hit enter. Now what that does is it changes us to have a landscape setting over here. Our landscape sheet, if I use I think yours is the control key in your scroll wheel, you can hold that down and scroll out. You'll see that we have basically a piece of paper. It's an 8.5 by 11 sheet where we're going to end up creating our stuff. Alright, whatever it may be. Alright. My window button shows up every time, so I'm going to put it down every time, so sorry. But in the spaces, we're going to start. So we're going to be using our tools, and I'd say the easiest way is the better right now. At the same time, if you have more sophisticated ones, I'm going to do a video probably tomorrow or the next day where I use the pen tool to draw a circular saw blade. But I want to refer to my sheet to show you what I'm going to be drawing. So in my class, the top piece right here, week 3 daily agenda, I did my assignment first page. And the symbols I'm making here are ones that represent me, a circular saw blade, because I'm an industrial tech teacher. I miss my wood shop. I have a little hunting, like a mount right here. My boxer dogs, because I have boxer dogs. Fishing, because I enjoy fishing. I had a whistle here, so I was thinking about something that symbolizes poaching, but then I changed it to a playbook. You only need 3. I have a few more. Once again, if you hear jabber in the background, it's my 2 boys now just talking and not being quiet. Hey! Shh. Sorry about that. Now, the next part is, down here, we haven't talked about this a whole lot, but I just did some fonts or some letters of things I'm going to type out possibly later on, or either create with shapes that say these things that represent me also. So this is kind of the beginning of, or the end of this vector assignment, symbol assignment, is having all these things drawn in vector so we can start making logos in the next assignment. Alright, so start working on those today. If you have questions, come into the meeting. I'll be there and hopefully be able to help. But other than that, have a good day. Thanks for watching.